To answer the interview question about making a decision without all the necessary information, it's essential to demonstrate critical thinking skills, showcasing the ability to use logic to make sound decisions. The goal is to convey confidence and capability in independent thinking and decision-making. This can be achieved by recalling a specific situation from one's career where a decision had to be made without complete information, and then telling a story that outlines the approach taken to reach a conclusion. The story should highlight the ability to think critically and independently. It's also important to connect the decision-making abilities to how they will make an impact in the new position. When responding, it's crucial to avoid giving general answers about decision-making skills and to refrain from making broad statements about being a skilled decision-maker. Instead, providing a specific example, such as being responsible for creating a weekly schedule for a large number of staff members without initial data on busy times, can be effective. In such a scenario, using logic and critical thinking to estimate customer traffic while managing the staffing budget can lead to a successful outcome. The key is to demonstrate how the decision-making process worked out well and how it has improved over time, ultimately showing how these skills can be applied to make a positive impact in the new role.